me know if that was too much editing and stuff in the beginning of this video. Just trying to do something new and different. I can mess with the timing of the clip. I can change the color of the clip. I can flip it. I can slow motion it. I can fast forward it. So let me know if that was too many times of watching that tree fall down and whatnot. So I'm cutting down a tree here for the neighbor. I started out with the McCulloch Mac 1010 automatic, and I used that saw because it had the felling sights on it to aim this tree. I probably should have done a little bit better job of telling you guys in the beginning of this video what I'm doing, but I'm cutting down, this is a red oak tree, a pretty good sized red oak tree. It's about 20 inches thick at the base, or no, actually 20 inches thick, probably a couple feet up. But anyways, there's a tree on it would be on the left half of the screen that is at an angle, and I'm trying to drop this oak tree on top of that to take it out of the canopy of the other trees. This is an ash tree that a big ash tree has split off. A big branch of an ash tree has split off, and I'm trying to knock it out with another tree. Those ash trees, they are, I would call them a ticking time bomb. You don't know when one of them is going to fall over. You don't know if it's going to be today, tomorrow, a year from now, 10 years from now, or the next windstorm, or the next sunny day it could fall over. So I'm just trying to knock one tree into another and to get this tree down. The neighbor he has a German Shepherd, if I remember correctly, and I think that's what the name of the dog is. Well, not the name, but the breed of the dog. And her name is Roxy, and she likes to go underneath this tree, and the neighbor does not want her under it. So that's why I'm here trying to knock another tree into it. But I used the felling sights on the McCulloch, and that seemed to get things lined up enough. It was not running correctly. So fortunately I brought a second chainsaw, which was the Professional 62cc Timber Pro, and that saw seemed to do pretty good. I did not have any problems with it whatsoever, compared to the McCulloch that's been, I wouldn't say it's been used and abused, but it's been pretty well used, and it's not tired yet or anything. It just needs some maintenance done to it. But that's the difference between a $30 chainsaw and I forget, like $200 one, something like that. So anyways, I'm just finishing up with the Timber Pro here, and I pretty much got this tree exactly where I wanted it. Unfortunately, the tree limb did not come down. We ran out of tree before we finished getting down that other branch, so we'll have to figure out something else. But the neighbor is going to leave the branches and stuff there, and that'll deter the dog from going underneath this thing. So here we are, the tree's about ready to start going here. But let me know if you guys have seen this tree fall too many times. I think it's kind of neat watching it, and watching it come back up again, back to where it was, and then slowly, ever so slowly, falling down. But let me know in the comments what you guys think, if this is too much or not enough. I don't really know what you guys want to watch. So I pretty much got the tree pretty much right exactly where I wanted it. The plan was to cut this tree down and knock it into that branch. This is of course another ash tree, and the Timber Pro did pretty good. The McCulloch was having some problems here, so
I don't know what was up with it. I have to do probably do some carb work on it, but yeah, not too bad. It's pretty much right in line. Pretty much right where I wanted it to be. So there's the stump, and there's where the tree fell. This is a pretty nice red oak tree, pretty darn straight, and you can see there's the ash tree, and the rest of it is dead, but that limb came down. So I don't know how we will figure out how to take that down. Probably put a rope over top of it and then tie it and then pull it down with a machine. We do have equipment here that we can use. So, well, there you go. That's cutting down a nice oak tree with the Timber Pro and the McCulloch. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and hopefully we will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.